and welcome to Palatable Platter. What was your favorite childhood snack? Mine was a peanut butter and jam sandwich. Heck yeah, it was a classic, isn't it? But have you read the label on a store-bought jam? The sugar content is insane. But don't worry, I got you. Now just sit back and relax while the chia seeds will do the job of thickening the jam for you. Chia seeds are full of antioxidants and they are rich in fiber, protein and omega-3, which makes them a real energy booster. Add this jam to your toast, bagel, sandwich or anything you like. Also feel free to use any juicy fruits, but remember each fruit has its own consistency. And now before we get started, do you see that tiny thumbs up button below the video? Go hit that like button, share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel to never miss our new recipes. And now without any further delay, let's start jamming. Now go ahead and bring back your happy childhood days without any guilt. After all, it's all about making healthier choices, isn't it? Do try this recipe and let me know how that goes in the comment section down below. Like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel to never miss our new recipes. Also follow us on Instagram at Palatable Platter. See you next week.